still on the fastest route.
We are going to IKEA.
We are going to IKEA.
In Japan. In Japan, it says IKEA.
There's no upstairs?
I don't know. Look like upstairs.
Yeah, they all got upstairs. It's the building sitting down. Sitting flush down in the ground. You know what I mean, guys? Alright, guys, we are here at IKEA. So we're here at the IKEA in Japan. And I just want to take a picture of the billboard. Let you guys see it. This is IKEA. This is Japan's IKEA, not regular IKEA like in America. So if you've never been to IKEA in Japan, you're about to get a first-hand experience. First, you know you're in Japan, and they show the curry. So here's the cafeteria part. You guys know this area here. IKEA has its own food department, a food area. I see curry everywhere.
I see curry everywhere.
We just want to go look at the menu. Wow. Nice food selection. And then we're going to go over here to the other menu side.
Curry. It's like a vegetarian curry.
Wow.
And the kids meal, they have kids pancake meal. Okay, we got coffee.
Ooh, that's because
Oh, what the heck? Wow. Salad, salmon. Ooh, that looks good right there. French fries and curry, katsu curry. And then we see who just eating. Okay. Wow. Same menu. At IKEA, Japan, is these little chairs that you can hang stuff on. You know, different types of chairs. Cool. Yeah. So I just wanted to film that. People hang their bags and stuff on it. And here's the one part of the entrance. Yeah, this is first.
Look. Look. Oh, okay. Look, that's. Oh.
I'm following Mama.
Let's go look. That's who we came and look at.
Of course, you already seen most of what IKEA sells, so we're gonna cut the video here and film some other important areas that we know of. Hey, May. Let me fix your mask. You enjoy IKEA, May? Always clean them hands. Now this IKEA here is more geared to Japanese living, so you're gonna see some stuff here that you probably don't see in America, but they have it here.
Maybe it's the same.
There's
Look,
a pillow.
they still have this pillow. $4.99. That's today. No, we just window shopping today.
Window shopping. Sorry, Iris.
Yay.
These are two dogs.
That's a dog?
Wow.
Different color. Mickey. You got the drawer. She can buy the separate chair. Nice.
How does it like this?
業務連絡セルフサーブのコード99が解除されました。
Another Mickey. Is it the same? Yeah. Look at it. It's got the
It's not the same desk.
bit smaller.
Yeah, this
And
is
the
a smaller version of this one.
shelf. Oh, okay. This is. Huh? Oh, this part is for separate. See that? This part is separate. See that? This
Yeah, yeah.
bookshelf is separate, and then this. That's the we seen.
It's not the whole thing.
This is a desk, I think, price of it. This is shelf price. That's nice. This you can combine.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, IKEA, no! I didn't do it.
We have this.
Yeah, we had one of those. Oh, this one's $12,000, $120. I'm sorry. And then you got the rack that goes on top of that too. So pretty big.
It's big.
And then you got this style over here. You notice the drawer is on this side over there.
I think different colors, different
And this
price.
one's $100, yeah.
Different price, different color. And a different price.
Different styles too. Cause look at this one.
Yeah,
This is for a left-handed person right here. Look. You notice the drawer's on that side instead of being on that side. So she has left-handed access versus right-handed access.
Okay. Nice Alice. Oh. And the chair, you're gonna go to. For our after 8.
Oh, this is neat. We're at the bottom of the, coming to the end, which is the, what is this? Yeah, the register part. Right here. That was our visit to IKEA. Yeah. Bathroom section. We'll finish off with that section. Come on, man. Oh, soap trays.
No, no. Oh, around here?
I think so, yeah.
This is hanging type. Or on the floor type. Or
We got these.
not color. It's not.
Alright, we are completing the video. I know the last time I said I was done, but we had to come back and film the warehouse part. This is everything that you've seen on the floors out there, the showroom floors. This is the part where, you know, if you've ever been to IKEA, this is where you come to get it at. So we're filming this part so we can get out of here. There you go, right there you go. Right there in front of you.
Oh, wow, nice.
Sit in it first. Sit down in it.
Sit down?
Yeah.
It's too relaxing.
That's so perfect for you.
No, it's like a beach chair.
Alright, where else we going?
Poolside chair. Little come as is section out.
Not in Japan.
How about these? $15.
What is that over there?
That's cute.
What is that over there? The circular hub.
Baby chair. Come on. No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they got the ticket figure box. You want ice cream? Soft cream? I'm gonna get soft cream for you.
Yeah.
But there's this one was
In.
この時間はセレンディビリーテックス。毎日さまざまなテストやアルバムを日替わりで紹介しています。今日は今から30年前の1992年にリリースされたアメリカの R&B グループアンボークのセカンドアルバム「ファンキー・ディームズ」をピックアップしています。お送りしているのは
Turn right